Hi dear student, सबको नमस्ते. Welcome to the class 3rd standard in subject Hindi. Now we see the third lesson of परोपकारी कछुआ. इसके लेखक दर्शन सिंह आशेट. कछुआ means tortoise. ठीक है बच्चों, now I ask the question, what is your favorite animal? Cow, mostly like dog, goat. Okay, now you see the picture. What is this? This is a tortoise. How to say in Hindi? Kachua. A tortoise live in a pond. There was a tree of berries on the exact edge of the pond. When the time came, they would get flags of berries. Boys from the nearby village used to come to eat the raspberries of the tree. After a few days, one who and his wife came to live on that tree of berries. Let's see the picture. What is this? This is crow. Crow, how to say in Hindi? Kawa. The crow often harasses or fights others. When the turtle came out of the pond to the ground, the crow would ride on its back and would swing, but the turtle did not like this habit at all. Many times the crow, showing off his power, would reverse it. Then Mahinan would get angry at him. He was sad to her, but on the contrary, the crow's wife was a humble nature. She often refused to do this to the crow. But when was the crow supposed to listen to anyone? One day, when the turtle came out of the pond again and started walking slowly on the ground, the crow's eyesight looked at him and he quickly went to ride on it. Got angry. He said, "Why, brother crow, why bother clumping on my back? What do you want from me? I want to ride on you. That's how I enjoy it," said the laughing crow. The turtle asked, "Where is it possible to be happy by troubling others? Can you also put me on your back?" The crow said rightly, "Why should I make you sit on my back?" The turtle then got frustrated, started going into the pond. The clever crow immediately flew and sat on the berries. When the crow started bothering the turtle even more, the turtle stopped coming out of the pond. A few days later, the crow's wife laid eggs in the nest. The crow was very happy. Flags of berries on the tree were also beginning to ripen. One day, the boys of the village came and climbed the berries. So the crow raised and the skies on the head by ka ka. Hearing his ka ka, many more crowds gathered and started attacking the boy, climbing on the berries with his beak, claws, etc. When a boy went to the crow's nest and tried to break a bunch, due to the shaking on eggs come out of the nest and fell straight into the pond, and the crow was his boy. Attacked so loudly that, like other companions, he too had to come down from the tree and ran towards the village. Crow was sad because his egg was in Malab. There were sitting on the banks of the pond and crying. But a few moments later, the same kawa came out with his egg in his mouth and kept it on the grass and said, thankfully, your egg fell in the water. If it fell on the other side, I would have broken. I kept falling from the water, looked up and caught it in the mouth. Now, nothing to worry. It's safe. Take care. Those two spouses had no words to thank tortoise. TK Bachon, I hope you understand this story. Thank you.